Very confidential,
Yes.
all right, it's confidential. She don't want to share, and the problem is, she said, I think it's a big problem because she said if she can get her daughter back, if the problem is not solved, or maybe someone get raped like that. I hope not.
Yes.
Na-rape po ba?
Opo. Andito po yung papel niya. Human trafficking. Nabugaw po siya. Kasama po siya dun sa
Foreigner?
opo, kasama po siya dun sa 7 bata na 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 nabugaw po sa dito
Sa
sa
Walking Street?
opo.
Okay, para alam po nila, para ma-aware sila. She said her daughter was in a DSW day by because someone is pimping like bugaw, like someone introduced her 10-year-old
This
daughter to the foreigner.
the suspect is
7